right onto Georgia 80 South, Georgia 88 East.
So, it used to be an automatic.
Alright, man, I don't know.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
I ain't had it for 3 months. I had it when I bought it.
Okay, okay. And it's real. What I do some stuff. This way. Behind me is a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner.
Not this time, Dom.
I picked this up for a very astonishing price of $2,500. I'm gonna let you guys know how much I paid for all these parts and everything as I go, because I'm trying to make a 10-second car for less than $30,000. And looking at it, the roll cage is already done. We had the wheel wells already cut out. Rear end is already in. Fiberglass hood, fiberglass trunk lid. I mean, this car has it all. Only thing it's missing is a beautiful engine and stick shift transmission. And that leads me to my another topic. What engine am I gonna put in my 1971 Roadrunner? Looking back at how Fast and Furious did it, and this is the same car that's in Fast and Furious 8. I'm gonna go with an LS motor, maybe a 6.0, maybe a 6.2. Before you guys go on and be like, oh, I should put a 440 or a 5.7 or a 383. I mean, I don't got the money, man. I'm just gonna be honest. I could set up a GoFundMe channel or something, but I don't got the money for that. If I go less than $30,000, I'm already $2,500 in the hole. I mean, a 383 and fully built engine and trans, that's gonna run me $20,000 alone. So I'm just gonna take the cheaper route, probably do some cams and lifters and bearings and everything in the engine. And maybe, just maybe, we could get out of here with $30,000, 10-second car. And maybe call out some YouTubers, who knows?
It's gotta have about 2,000 horsepower in that thing. Try 3,000.
Try 5.
My plans for this car is very, very simple. Make it fast as hell. Because, you know what? Why not? America, right? America, you got a beautiful Plymouth Roadrunner. Rarest car I've ever seen, 20 years, never seen one. And now one's sitting in my garage.
No, 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 no! It's my Bentley!
And I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. Black is the color I'm aiming for. It is gonna be painted professionally. Everything that's gonna be done to this car will be documented, down to the very time I had bought it, to the very time I might crash it. You do gotta understand, you're going down the drag strip. Who knows what can happen? You can crash at any time, but I don't know how Leroy and Cletus does it. I forgot his YouTube channel. My fault, but maybe one day I'll race you. One reason why I went with a 71 Roadrunner, besides it's my dream car. Just look at it. It's timeless. The front looks like a Charger. The back body lines, beautiful wheel wells. I mean, it's like a wide body that was been put on it. I can't tell you how much I love this car and what I have planned for it, and I really hope that I'm able to share it with a large number of you guys. I can tell you guys right now, if you guys want to know how to build a car, and trust me, this is my first time too, so this will be a learning experience for everybody. Hey, go ahead and subscribe. And please join my journey to restoring a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner on a budget that probably anybody can go out and build with at least 5 years of car knowledge, given granted that I have more, but just when you go down and take a challenge like this, you're gonna need some old guys telling you what to do. So if you guys like the car or like my dreams, go ahead, support my channel, subscribe, and just remember, work so hard it looks like you're the only one working.
Yeah. Handouts create lazy people I'm not impressed with. You want something in light, then why don't you go and get it? Actions speak louder than words do. It's pretty quiet, isn't it?